Hey, welcome back to Glow Mode. Today, we're talking about hair. Your hair, and how you can glow up without doing too much. If your hair feels boring, or your beard looks weird, or you just want to look better, this video is for you. Let's fix your style. Let's talk about what's trending in 2025, and how you can make it work for you. Let's get started. Part 1. Products at work. Let's start by discussing products. You don't require 10 different items, only some good ones. The first is dry shampoo. Apply it close to your roots. Give it a minute. After that, blow dry your hair. It gets rid of oil. It makes things louder. Additionally, it gives the impression that your hair is clean even if you haven't washed it. Texturizing powder comes in at number 2. Your hair will grip better as a result and causes it to stand. Simply give your hands a little shake. Apply it to your roots. Boom! Increase the volume. More authority. The third is matte paste. For short to medium hair, this is fantastic. It aids in hair shaping and maintains it. It appears organic, not gleaming, not oily. Simply relax and tidy up. Bonus tip, try sea salt spray. Spray it on damp hair. Scrunch it with your hands, then let it air dry. It adds texture and that cool beach hair feel. It's light and gives movement. Also, don't forget dry shampoo isn't just for women. Men can use it too. It saves time and keeps your hair from looking oily. Here's a tip. Your hair looks best on day 3, not right after washing. So don't shampoo every day. Let your scalp rest. Your hair will be easier to style, and it'll feel healthier. And please, avoid using harsh shampoos every day. They strip away natural oils. Go for sulfate-free products. They clean your hair without making it dry. Part 2. Hair Trends 2025. Let's now discuss trends. What will be trendy in 2025? Untidy hair is in, not filthy. Simply unwind. As if you weren't trying hard enough. You still look good, though. Middle sections are becoming more popular. Gentle curls, waves that are loose. Men with straight hair are also getting perms. Not curls that are too tight, but a texture that is loose and looks natural. Perms are back, and they look great now. It's not about springy curls. It's about adding character and shape to your hair. Longer hair is also popular again, but only if it's done right. If your hair is long and flat, it won't look great. The trick is layering. Layers make your hair move. Top layers add bounce. Bottom layers add flow. Your hair looks more alive. Modern mullets are back too. But don't worry, not the old school kind. These are cleaner and cooler. Shorter on top, layered in the back. It gives you a fun, confident vibe. Some guys are going for movie star hair. Think Brad Pitt or Timothy Chalamet. Hair that looks better 2 weeks. After cut. Not stiff. Not perfect. Just natural and full of personality. Another thing, volume is king now. No one wants flat, lifeless hair. Lift your roots. Add texture. Let it bounce. Embrace your natural hair. If it's curly, don't straighten it. If it's wavy, stop brushing it flat. Your natural texture is your best style. Part 3. What's out of style? Now, let's talk about what's out. Some hairstyles just don't work anymore. Ultra sharp part lines? Out! They look too forced. Too perfect. Shiny gel? Nope. It looks like your hair is wet all day. Not a good look. Unless your hair does it naturally. Side parts are fading out. Now they seem too formal. The broccoli cut? Big fluffy top, short sides? Too much. It is no longer fresh. And those hairstyles that only look great on the first day? Ignore them. As your style develops, you want it to look better, not worse. Natural feeling hair is what people desire. As if you hadn't overanalyzed it. Not too much, but like you care. So, if your hair needs 10 products in 20 minutes every morning, it's not the move. Go for relaxed, chill, confident. Part 4. Beards in 2025. Now let's talk about beards. A beard can change your whole face, but the rules have changed. Perfect lines were the main focus in the past. Acute angles, excessive trimming, no longer. Soft edges are the focus now. Sides that have faded. A beard that disappears into your face, not one that appears to be painted on. Maintain a slightly thicker chin area. It gives the impression that your jaw is stronger. Keep your cheeks a little unkempt. Harsh lines don't look nearly as good as that natural fade. It's acceptable if your beard is patchy. Patchy is cool now. It's true. It is a human. Simply keep it cropped. Don't make it into something it's not. Don't shave your neckline too high. Keep a small amount of hair beneath your jaw. If you shave too much, your beard will appear fake. If your beard grows uneven, try brushing it daily. Use beard oil to keep it soft. And trim only the wild hairs. Remember, a beard isn't about looking like a Viking. It's about framing your face in a natural way. Part 5, extra tips that work. Here are some extra tips most guys miss, but they make a huge difference. Use a wide tooth comb instead of a brush. It's better for hair health. It prevents breakage and keeps your texture intact. Don't towel dry your hair roughly. Pat it dry gently, or use an old cotton t-shirt. It reduces frizz. Want your hair to stay up all day? Blow dry it upwards while shaping with your fingers. Then use product. Heat plus product equals stronghold. Avoid touching your hair all day. It spreads oil from your hands and makes your hair greasy faster. And please drink water. Eat protein. Your hair grows from the inside. If you're not healthy, your hair won't be either. Also, get regular trims, even if you're growing your hair. A small cleanup every few weeks makes it look fresh. Finally, talk to your barber. Show pictures. Explain what you want. A good barber will work with your face shape, lifestyle, and hair type. All right, that's your full hair glow-up guide for 2025. Keep it simple. Keep it clean. Make it yours. You don't need to copy celebrities. You don't need 10 products. You just need the right routine and a little effort. Try these tips. Find what works for you and let your natural style shine. Thanks for watching Glow Mode. Drop a comment below and tell us what haircut or beard style you're rocking. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got more glow-up tips coming your way. Stay confident, stay glowing, and we'll see you in the next one.